Good evening. Welcome to Republic TV on This Is Exclusive. I'm Ridhumanan Bhardwaj. Our top focus going to be on two stories today on This Is Exclusive, viewers. First, the Delhi High Court reserves its order. Arvind Kejriwal does not get relief. Just what are the charges against him and what really is happening in the court? Much more on that. But also the anger all across India over the NEET exams. We've also discovered, investigated the three-city nexus. Much more on that after a week. Tell you what the headlines are today. A day after getting regular bail by Rose Avenue Court, Delhi High Court steps in, reserves the bail order, no relief for Arvind Kejriwal. After Patna and Godhra, Ranchi angle emerges in the NEET scam. India's zero-tolerance approach towards terrorism continues. Jammu and Kashmir police arrest another terrorist aide in Jammu region's Doda. More and more evidence on cover-up money emerges as police news tightens in Renuka Swamy murder case. And Karnataka Congress MLA Uday Gowda defends actor in Renuka Swamy murder case. When confronted, he remains defiant. And viewers, on our top focus, we're also going to get you a NEET update. But a day after getting the big campaign on Republic TV asking for justice for the NEET students, we're also now being told there's a three-city nexus that has to be clearly seen. And this is something very, very clearly that has got elements in Patna, where we've seen that's the epicenter of the NEET scam. Pritam Kumar Tejasvi's PS, who's also been in touch with Sikandar Prasad Yadavendu, accused in the NEET scam. Anurag Yadav, who was arrested in the NEET scam. Aspirant Ayush arrested and Akhilesh also arrested. Students have confessed that father took me to meet Sikandar. He was taken to a safe house. He was mugged up. Questions were there. All the questions were identical. The students' confession clearly shows that there was underhand work happening when the Patna NEET scam was breaking out, and he was also assured after paying 40 lakh rupees that his son would be getting all the answers and would be able to mug up all the questions. We next show you what's been happening in the Godhra NEET scam case. As the government is going to crack down on the NDA, the Education Minister spoke to Arnab, and he spoke about great details about how Republic is going to ensure justice is done. Education Minister guaranteed the students will not be let down. Let me now show you the next set of graphics and elements that have to be put out. The Godhra NEET scam now. 10 lakh rupee deal was made to pass the NEET exam. 5 have been arrested. The accused continue to be in custody. CCTV footage, mobile phones seized, important cues collected from phones. Police seek information. Now, the triangular scam that we're talking about here also shows, as we speak to the Godhra school chairman, what happened. And Roy oversaw the Vadodara-based coaching classes. Police are seeking information from the NTA, and also Purushottam Sharma, Jai Jalaram school principal, has been spoken to. And this is the triangular scam that we're talking about, where we're showing you how Roy oversees the Vadodara-based scam at the coaching class. Then Purushottam Sharma, Jai Jalaram school principal, and Tushar Bhatt, Deputy Superintendent of NEET Center, all of them that are involved in this triangulated scam. We're also going to give you more details about the police exam leak case, where 46 lakh aspirants were affected. The 900-page charge sheet by the UP cops. I'm going to now also talk about how the Gujarat-based solutions were blacklisted and charge sheet filed against 18 accused. And viewers, next we're also going to be continuing and speaking about Republic against the corrupt education scam that we spoke about. While all of us are asking for justice, it's spilled out in the screens. We're also seeing political forces continue and come into battle. We've seen Rahul Gandhi speak up. What actions are really being taken by the opposition, and why are they politicizing this issue? Take a look.
The probe into the NEET scam has gotten bigger by the day. More skeletons have tumbled out of the closet. After widespread anger over the NEET scam, the government is cracking the whip of the National Testing Agency.
सरकार एक हाई लेवल कमेटी गठन करने जा रही है जो इस बार प्रकरण में एनटीए के संबंध में ट्रांसपेरेंसी और डाटा सिक्योरिटी प्रोटोकॉल को और इम्प्रूव करने के लिए उस उच्च स्तरीय कमेटी से रिकमेंडेशन अपेक्षित रहेगी.
Congress continues to shield their ally, the RJD. Speaking exclusively to Republic, Congress accused Bihar's DYCM for the paper leak scam.
पहले नीतीश की सरकार में बिहार पुलिस की वैकेंसी किस प्रकार से पेपर लीक हुआ, तो लगातार सरकार के संरक्षण में सरकार के लोग क्वेश्चन लीक कराते हैं. हम इसलिए इस बात की पुष्टि करते हैं कि जिस प्रिंटिंग मशीन में क्वेश्चन प्रिंट होता है वह ब्लैक लिस्टेड है और कंपनी और एजेंसी के नाम बदल कर बार बार उसी कंपनी और उसी प्रेस से प्रिंट कराना ये दर्शाता है कि सरकार के संरक्षण में यह घोटाला हुआ है.
This comes after Rahul Gandhi met students and still came up with no plausible solution. It is very clear to us that Congress has been using the NEET agenda for its own political benefit.
एग्जाम के बारे में आज यहाँ धरना है. 2 इम्तिहान हुए, यूजी एनईटी और नीट. यूजी नीट एनईटी जो हुआ वो असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर्स के लिए हुआ और रिसर्च फेलोज के लिए हुआ और लगभग एक समय पे हुआ. लेकिन उसमें जब शिकायत आई तो जिन महाशय प्रदीप जोशी जी जो कि नेशनल टेस्टिंग एजेंसी के अध्यक्ष हैं, जिनका की इतिहास जीतू भाई ने बताया है, उन्होंने उसको तो कैंसिल कर दिया.
Republic is continuing its relentless probe. Here are some visuals of Amit Anand's house, who was named as a mastermind in the paper leak scam.
अनुराग यादव जो तथाकथित रूप से जो बच्चों एक नीट का स्टूडेंट था जो अपीयर हुआ था एग्ज़ाम में और जिसका एडमिट कार्ड मिला था रिनॉल्ट डस्टर गाड़ी से जो पुलिस ने रिकवर किया था, और उसके बाद ये जो बता रहे थे कि यहाँ पुलिस भी आई थी. पुलिस ने तहकीकात किया, जांच किया. अनुराग यादव 12:40 को 4 मई को यहाँ पर आए थे अपने संभवतः माता के साथ और यहाँ पर रहे. अब क्या हुई बातें ये तो पुलिस ही जानेगी, लेकिन जैसा कि नीट क्वेश्चन पेपर जो पेपर लीक का मामला है, ऐसा पता चला है कि जो ये जिन बच्चों का एडमिट कार्ड मिला है उन बच्चों को क्वेश्चन पेपर भी दिए गए थे रटने के लिए.
Testimonies have emerged from Godhra as well.
क्या आप लोगों को इस बारे में भनक नहीं थी? क्या जानकारी आपके पास?
इसके बारे में हमको कुछ भी भनक नहीं थी, कुछ भी हमको पता भी नहीं था. जो होता तो ये होने भी हम नहीं देते, लेकिन ये हमारे यहाँ पे कलेक्टर श्री जो है हमारे वहाँ पे उनको थोड़ी सी ये भनक आ गई थी. कहीं ना कहीं मार्केट से उनको पता चल गया था. इसलिए सुबह 10 बजे से कलेक्टर साहब ने हमारे जो डिस्ट्रिक्ट डीओ बोलते हैं हमारे यहाँ शिक्षा अधिकारी है उनको वहाँ पे और उनकी टीम लेके और हमारी पुलिस एसओजी की टीम और हमारे क्राइम ब्रांच की जो टीम थी वो 40 बंदे हमारे स्कूल पे आ गए थे और सुबह 10 बजे से उन्होंने ये पूरा का पूरा सेंटर उनके हाथ में ले लिया था. इसलिए वहाँ पे ये गुंजाइश ही नहीं थी कि भाई चोरी होए.
Massive revelations have come to light with the Bihar DYCM hinting at Tejasvi Yadav's alleged role. The deeper Republic digs, more and more layers emerge. Anurag Yadav, a student from Patna, was arrested for his alleged connection to the kingpin of the controversy, Sikandar Yadvendu. Republic also accessed the kingpin's confession note. Vijay Sinha, Bihar's deputy CM who exposed the alleged RJD's link, also spoke exclusively to Republic.
पहला डिटेल है ये 1 तारीख को 9:07 में इन्होंने कॉल किए। ये नेता प्रतिपक्ष जो अभी हैं उस समय उप मुख्यमंत्री थे तेजस्वी यादव जी, जो इस विभाग के मंत्री भी थे, पथ निर्माण विभाग सहित 5 विभाग के वो मंत्री थे। उन्होंने, प्रीतम नाम है, उन्होंने फ़ोन किया। इन लोगों ने गंभीरता से नहीं लिया तो फिर ये 4 तारीख को इन लोगों ने 4 को फिर फ़ोन किया है, 3 बार फ़ोन किए और प्रेशर बना करके इनसे मैसेज कर दिया। ये आदमी जो यहाँ स्टाफ था विभाग में, प्रदीप, जिसने बयान भी दिया है, और इन्होंने अपने वहाँ के इंचार्ज जूनियर इंजीनियर और सुपरिटेंडेंट इंजीनियर को।
Republic has also accessed some chats solidifying Tejaswi's office's involvement. Police have made multiple arrests in Godhra in connection to the paper leak. Republic's Editor-in-Chief Arnab Goswami spoke to the Education Minister and was personally assured that the government will not let the students down.
ये हमने एक पोल चलाई थी धर्मेंद्र प्रधान जी की, शुड द नीट एग्जाम बी हेल्ड अगेन, यानी कि नीट एग्जाम क्या फिर से होनी चाहिए। 80 से ज़्यादा प्रतिशत लोगों ने कहा कि नीट एग्जाम को फिर से करवाइए। तो क्या सरकार इस ऑप्शन के लिए ओपन माइंडेड है?
अर्णब जी, मैं आपकी चैनल के माध्यम से देश के विद्यार्थियों को आश्वस्त करना चाहूँगा, सरकार विद्यार्थियों के हितों को सर्वोपरि देखती है। उनके लिए एक पारदर्शी व्यवस्था हमारी प्रतिबद्धता उसी के साथ है। जो न्यायोचित होगा, जो जस्ट होगा, ये सारा विषय सुप्रीम कोर्ट की निगरानी में भी है। कुछ विषय विसंगति की ध्यान में भी आई है, कुछ विषय कोर्ट की माध्यम से समाधान हुई है। एक जगह की विषय अभी भी कुछ अनुसंधान, कुछ इंक्वायरी की दायरे में है। कुछ भी चीज हम ऐसे नहीं करेंगे जो देश के विद्यार्थियों के हितों को नुकसान करेगा।
As Republic continues campaigning against the injustice, all eyes are on what more shocking details are going to emerge from the probe.
We get you more breaking news on the story now. The government has sought a report from Bihar EOU pertaining to the NEET paper leak investigation. The EOU is going to be sending its status report tomorrow to the government of India, the HRD secretary. And I also want to say the government has sought a report from the Bihar Education Department on the NEET paper leak case. Also, sources are telling us, viewers, the mastermind of the paper leak is on the run. Let me go across straight to my colleague Prakash, who's joining us on the story. Prakash, give us more details.
Well, Ritam, the Government of India HRD Ministry, after a meeting with the ADG of the EOU, after a marathon meeting, in fact, has shot a status report of the investigations that has been underway as far as the recoveries are also concerned. It's a threadbare investigation, and the EOU would be sending its status report by tomorrow. In the meeting yesterday, between the HRD ministry and the top officials in the Home Ministry, sources in the EOU tell us that they have said in clear terms that it's a very serious matter, the way the investigation is going, and it's a clear-cut case of question leak. And we believe that sources in the Government of India also tells me that the NTA has been slammed by Government of India, HRD Ministry, and Dharmendra Pradhan is apparently very unhappy with the NDA, and that is why this committee has been formed to review and recommend if any rectification is required. So, as far as Bihar is concerned, Sanjeev Mukhya is one of the main masterminds who's been operating as far as the paper leaks are concerned, and his son, Dr. Shiv, who is lodged in Beur Jail, Patna, has also been instrumental in this question maker paper leak as it has been in the past. Sanjeev Mukhia has been a part of the infamous Ranjit Dawn gang, which operated out of Bihar and was instrumental in the question paper leak of IIT JEE as well, and he split out of that group, formed his own syndicate all across the country, and has been instrumental here as well. As far as Tejasvi's PS questioning is concerned, it is not happening right now because there are no serious allegations against him. That's what. But the EOU may take a call after sending the status report tomorrow, and a committee and SIT has been formed to nab the main culprit Sanjeev Mukhia, who is on the run. And interrogations are also being done with his son, Dr. Shiv, in the jail. And one more information that I have got is that the government may take a serious call before the monsoon session of the parliament, and that may pertain to cancelling the NEET exam, which Dharmendra Pradhan also hinted yesterday to our editor-in-chief Arnab Goswami. So I'm getting information from my sources that the government may take a serious call regarding cancelling the examinations, NEET 2024 examinations before the monsoon sessions. That may happen before 26th.
Prakash Singh, my colleague, getting us and keeping us ahead of the very latest on what's been happening in the NEET scam investigation. Prakash, I thank you for that. It's something we'll continue keep coming back to you for. And viewers, now I also want to move on to another investigation exclusive that we have on the NEET case. This time the investigation is from Godhra. The investigation officer in the Godhra NEET scam case spoke to Republic TV, spoke to Priyanka, my colleague. He's clearly stated there is no politicization of the case. The arrests have been made, but refuses to say that there is a link between the Patna and the Godhra cases. Take a listen.
We are right now here in Godhra, where in fact another NEET cheating case has come to light. We are of course also being told how the entire link of Bihar has got nothing to do with the Godhra case. But joining me right now is the IO himself, so N.B. Patel. We'll speak to him to understand how essentially the investigation in this entire matter is being carried out. Sir, thank you so much Republic TV से बात करने के लिए. मैं आपसे पहले ये शुरुआत में पूछना चाहती हूँ कि किस तरह से ये इसमें जो इन्वेस्टिगेशन की जा रही है, इसमें पांचों अक्यूज्ड जो हैं जेसी में है, जुडिशियल कस्टडी में है, पर क्या इसमें कोई भी पेपर लीक की बात हो रही है? गोधरा में जो केस आया है जिसमें 5 अक्यूज्ड जुडिशियल कस्टडी में,
जो नीट का जो इन्वेस्टिगेशन हो रहा है गोधरा में, तो इसमें कहीं भी पेपर लीक की बात डिस्क्लोज नहीं होती है, और पूरे इन्वेस्टिगेशन में कहीं भी पेपर लीक हुआ ऐसी कोई इन्वेस्टिगेशन अभी तक आया नहीं है, मुझे बात गलत है।
सर, ये जो रोल्स बाहर आ रहे हैं, हम देख रहे हैं कि कई सारे जो एजेंट्स हैं उनके रोल आ रहे हैं, टीचर्स हैं जो एनटीए अपॉइंटेड टीचर्स थे, तो उनके क्या रोल थे? क्या वो खुद ये पूरी जो कंस्पिरेसी है वो रच रहे थे? क्योंकि तुषार भट्ट का नाम आ रहा है, दूसरे जो प्रिंसिपल है उनका नाम आ रहा है, जो एनटीए अपॉइंटेड थे।
एग्जाम के अंदर इन दोनों को अपॉइंट किया था एनटीए ने, और इन्वेस्टिगेशन में इसका रोल आया है, इसके कारण सबको अरेस्ट किया है।
इनमें क्या रोल आया है इन लोगों का? क्या कुछ लोग करते थे उसमें?
जो शर्मा जी है, पुरुषोत्तम शर्मा, वो चीफ सिटी कोऑर्डिनेटर है, और तुषार भट्ट डेप्यूटी सिटी कोऑर्डिनेटर है, और जो एग्जाम में यही लोग लेने वाले थे, और इनका रोल इसमें इन्वेस्टिगेशन निकला तो उसको अरेस्ट किया।
क्या इसमें फर्दर कोई डिटेल्स आ रहे हैं कि कोई और इसमें ऊपर भी इन्वॉल्व थे? क्या ये एनटीए के यही 2 लोग थे जो इसमें इन्वॉल्व थे, या एनटीए से कोई और जानकारी कुछ मिली?
अभी तक तो इतना ही है।
It's clear the government is going to crack down on the NTA. We're going to see lots of investigation and action before the next parliament session soon. We go into a quick break, but our investigation on the NEET scam case continues.